Good morning. It's already day 1 and actually it's already morning here. It's actually 5:49 a.m. Actually, hindi ako nakatulog kasi basta ayun na may kapitbahay na dumating. So, love, good morning talaga sa iyo. At ito, it's already day 1 at nag-start ako ngayon ng aking a day in my life routine. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, my future husband. This picture is for you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Okay, goodbye, goodbye. See you later na lang kung kapacheck up ako ng doktor. Bye, husband. Everyone, so today, ito na naman ang bagong araw. I already have day 4 na siguro. Day 2. Oh yes, it's already day 2 and this is the memories that I'm... basta. Memories na ginagawa ko para sa'yo. Kung nasa ka man ngayon, eto, nandito ako, buhay na ako. Ikaw, buhay ka na ba? Baka pitos ka pa. Charot. Tingnan mo, love, nandito ako sa province, so it's sobrang ganda dito, guys. Ay, guys, love pala. Love, I love you. Bye-bye. La 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 la. Tingnan mo ang kalangitan. Ang araw! Ang langit!
Would I recognize the face? Something's telling me it might be.
I love day number 5. So today nandito ako sa, malapit na maghapon. Yun yung bahay ni
So
Ate
many
Grace.
quiet walks to take.
You can see because it's too far in this
So many dreams to break.
Really too far.
And
That's why
there's so much
this is
love to make.
sobrang taas. Mataas talaga siya. So, hindi siya mapakita mo. Sa'yo nga eh.
I think
Tapos,
we're gonna
ayun, you ever
need
see
some
the sky
time.
without clouds
Baby,
sometimes?
all
Yung
we
clear lang siya,
need is time.
Ang diba? Wala akong magawa eh. Sige guys.
And
Sige love.
it's
Bye bye. See you soon. I
might
love you.
be